For families living at the extreme edge of the economy, the threat of hunger is a daily reality. This demographic, often referred to as the absolute poorest of the poor, exists in a space where even minor market fluctuations can make survival impossible. While general welfare programs provide broad support, they often fail to address the immediate calorie needs of those living in deep poverty. Rescuing this group requires a more precise and direct form of intervention. This is why the Indian government launched the Antyodaya Anna Yojana, or AAY. It is a flagship scheme under the National Food Security Act, designed specifically as a targeted rescue mechanism for these families. AAY is designed to function as a systemic safety floor. It moves food security away from being a result of economic luck and establishes it as a government-guaranteed right. The mechanical foundation of the scheme is a fixed monthly quota. Every identified household is guaranteed exactly 35 kilograms of food grains every single month. This comparison shows the gap between market rates and the AAY model. Under the scheme, wheat is priced at just 2 rupees per kilogram, rice at 3 rupees, and coarse grains at only 1 rupee. Providing this specific weight of grain is a health-focused decision. 35 kilograms provides a reliable volume of food designed to stabilize the household's nutrition and prevent chronic malnutrition. For a family with almost no disposable income, this pricing structure removes the volatility of the food market. It ensures that 35 kilograms of grain remains affordable, even when market prices climb well beyond the family's reach. The process begins with identification. State, rural, and urban departments conduct localized surveys to find and verify the families that qualify for this level of support. To enter the system, every family member must have an Aadhaar card. This digital identity is the first mandatory document required for the application. Families must also obtain a below-poverty line certificate or a low-income certificate. These are issued by the local Tahsildar to officially verify their economic status. These documents and family details are then submitted to the local Food and Civil Supplies Office or the designated Circle Office for final processing. This rigorous verification process is built to protect the system. By requiring specific documentary proof, the government ensures that these massive food subsidies reach only the intended households. Once the application is approved, the family is issued a unique yellow Antyodaya ration card. This card is the official proof of their participation in the program. Beneficiaries take this yellow card to a government-licensed fair price shop. These shops serve as final distribution points to collect the monthly grain quota. At the shop, the grains are weighed on a platform scale to ensure the family receives exactly 35 kilograms. The yellow card acts as the link between national policy and local distribution. It allows a family to convert their abstract legal right into physical food they can carry home. To keep the program accessible, the law mandates that both the application and the issuance of the Antyodaya card are completely free of charge. Beneficiaries are cautioned never to pay processing fees or service charges to anyone claiming they can facilitate the process. Shop-level protections exist too. Official signs list statutory rates, 2 rupees for wheat, 3 for rice, so families know what to pay. Security and official monitors are built into distribution sites to ensure grain reaches the right people without interference. Ultimately, the Antyodaya Anna Yojana is more than a handout. It is a logistical pipeline designed to shield India's most vulnerable citizens from both the threat of starvation and the risk of exploitation.